Black one is fine.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, actually I had a very bad throat last night, so my voice might not seem very pleasant to your eyes and to your ears. Okay, so today we are going to begin our discussion further. So in our previous class we started the new chapter, that is quadrilaterals, right guys? And let's revise what we discussed in our previous class. Okay, so basically we were talking about the classification of polygons. Okay, we talked about the basics of polygons, right? And you see, we were talking about the angle sum property of interior and exterior angles of polygons, right? So we were done discussing the interior sum um, angle sum property of interior angles. We discussed that. So in exterior angle sum property, we saw how we can calculate the sum of the exterior angles of any given polygon. And for a given polygon, if you were to just find its exterior angle, you can simply subtract the interior angle from 180 degree and you will get the exterior angle like this. See in this figure, you are provided with exterior angle X and interior angle Y. Okay, and we know that X plus Y gives you 180 degree. So hence we can find X likewise here. 180 minus Y will give you exterior angle. Also, we can write it like this: interior angles equals to 180 degree minus exterior angle. Right, guys?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's begin our today's discussion. You might be assuming why sir has taken this figure, this baby here. Let's begin, okay? Let's begin today's class. So we will see how to find the exterior angle when a polygon is given. Okay, like the questions which we discussed in during the last moment of previous class, there you were provided with the angles. There you were provided with the interior angles and you had to find the exterior angle, right? So here you were provided with interior angles. Like see this question, interior angle was given 40 degree and you were required to find the exterior angle. But what if we are provided with just polygons? What if you are just provided with a polygon and then you need to find the number, then you need to find the exterior angle? How will do that? So see, this is a pentagon here. We know a pentagon has got 5 sides. There are 5 sides in a pentagon. So how do we calculate the exterior angles of a regular polygon here? Right. So here we are talking about a regular polygon. What do you guys understand by a regular polygon?
Sir, the sides and the
Sides are
angles are
equal.
same.
Exactly, guys. That is what is a regular polygon is about. So all the sides and all the angles are going to be equal. So as we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Okay. And if you see in this pentagon, how many sides are there?
5.
5. So if we multiply 360 degree with the number of sides provided in the given polygon, will we not get each exterior angle? So let's say 360 degree and here number of sides given is 5 here. So we will put this 5 in the denominator. So 360 upon 5 gives you 72 degree. Hence each exterior angle in this pentagon is of 72 degree. Right, guys?
Sir.
Yes.
So that's how we find the exterior angles when you are provided with the polygon. Similarly, what if we are provided with a hexagon? What is its exterior angles going to be in this one?
60 degree.
60 degree. Yeah. And you Fatima, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is going to be 60 degree. Simply 360 upon 6, that gives you 60 degree. What if you are provided with a quadrilateral? What if you are provided with a quadrilateral? Find the
So
measurement
90
of each
degree.
60 angles. That is going to be a
90 degree.
90 degree. That is 360 upon 4 gives you 90 degree. Very good. Okay. So since we are talking about a regular polygon, is the figure correct here or wrong? Is the figure which is given here? It is actually wrong. A regular quadrilateral. What are the examples of a regular quadrilateral?
A square.
A square. Very good. A square. All right, guys. Now I have got some questions for you. Just let me call for Ahmed. Okay. Ahmed isn't present here. Just let me call him. Okay, he will join in a minute. Okay, so we are going to discuss some questions related to regular polygons. So first question, in the first question, you would guys need to find the exterior angle of these regular polygons. The name of the polygons are given. Okay, and you can enter your answers in the chat box. This class is majorly going to be about questions. Okay, and then we will jump to solving the answer exercise. Okay, Arhan, I got your answer.
So is it correct?
But it is not correct here. Find the
I'll
exterior angle of these regular polygons. It is supposed to be in decimal. Okay, it is close to being correct. Or you can just write your answer in fraction. The number of sides in a heptagon is how much? 7. All right. Or you can just find the value in decimal also, whether in decimal or whether in fraction. Both is correct. But finding the value in decimal is more appropriate. Yes, Fatima. Fatima, you are currently in Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And Arhan, what about you?
Yes, I also.
You're also in Delhi.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, what is the exterior angle for quadrilateral here? Yes, it is going to be how much? 360 upon 4. That is going to give you? That is going to give you how much? 90 degree.
90.
Yeah. And what about a decagon? How many sides are there in a decagon? Yeah, Fatima, 51.4.
So that will be 36 degree.
That will be 36 degree. Very good. Okay. Yeah, you guys are supposed to write the answers in the chat box first. Okay. From there, I will get the answers.
Okay.
So 360 upon 10. That is going to give you 36 degree. All right. Shall we move ahead then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Islam, sir.
Yeah, where have you been, Ahmed?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we just started our discussion. Okay, I think you are already familiar with how to find the exterior angle when a polygon is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so let me quickly revise it for you so that you also catch what we are discussing. So if you're provided with a polygon and you are required to find the exterior angle of that polygon, the formula required is 360 degree upon the number of sides. You simply divide 360 degree by number of sides, you get the exterior angle of that regular polygon. Okay, likewise for pentagon, the number of sides of a pentagon is 5. So 360 upon 5, that gives you 72 degree. Similarly, for hexagon, we found out to be 60 degree. And for quadrilateral, it is 90 degree. Remember, we are talking about regular polygons. Okay, so we did the first question. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this question and you will solve it later. Yeah, take the screenshot of the question. We are moving ahead then. Yeah. Now see the next question then. Okay, Ahmed, you took the screenshot.
No, sir. Which screenshot should I?
Yeah, take the screenshot of question number 1.
Okay, sir. I have taken it.
Yeah. Now see next question, guys. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. As of now, we were talking about how to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon. But how do you find the interior angle of that polygon? So say that I am provided with a polygon with a pentagon here. I'm solving the first one for you guys. A pentagon looks something like this, if I'm correct. Right, guys? And say this is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Yes. Say this is the exterior angle. And you need to find the interior angle. This is the interior angle, let's say Y. So how do you find the interior angle of a pentagon here? So let's see how we do this. First, you will find the exterior angle. Step 1 is finding the exterior angle. So step 1, find EXT. In short, I'm writing it as EXT, exterior angle. So how do we do that? We know 360 divided by number of sides will give me each exterior angle. So 360 degree, how many sides are there in a pentagon? 5.
5.
Yeah. So you got 72 degree here. Right, guys? So we know that each exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides. So using this formula, we can find out the exterior angle. Okay, so this x here is we found out to be 72 degree. So can you not find the interior angle now? Because we know that x plus y
Yes, sir.
is equal to 180. So find out the value of interior angles here. Yes, guys. You guys can write your answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You guys need to follow the same step for other two questions also, for hexagon and octagon also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Fatima and Arhan, I got your answers. Very good. Yes, Ahmed. Send your answer as well.
Uh,
Yeah. Ahmed, will you please mute yourself?
okay, sir.
Okay. $108. Yes, very good, Arhan. Ahmed, we are supposed to find the interior angle. Read the question properly, Ahmed.
Oh.
Okay. This 60 which you mentioned, it is for which one? For hexagon, octagon, pentagon? 72 plus y equals 180, and y here gives you 108 degree, right, guys? That is for pentagon. Okay, now for hexagon I got answer of Arhan. I got your answer. Fatima, Ahmed, you guys. Yes, Ahmed, you got how we solved the first one?
Oh.
Hexagon exterior angle equals to 60. Yeah, that is the exterior angle 60, which Ahmed has written here. Interior angles 120. Okay. Yeah, so for hexagon, we solve it like this. Okay. As we already know that to find out each exterior angle, we simply divide 360 by number of sides. So that is going to be 360 upon 60. That is 6. So gives me 60 degree. Okay. So now since the exterior angle is going to be 60 degree for a hexagon, so the interior angle is going to be 120. Right, guys? 120 degree. This one is 108 degree. The octagon is okay. Okay, Rahan. Yeah, that one is correct, Rahan. Very good. Yes, Fatima and Ahmed, find out the value of interior angle for octagon. You guys are getting how you're solving this? Fatima and Ahmed.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
Yeah, very good. Yes, Ahmed, 120 for which? For hexagon.
Yes, sir, for hexagon.
Yeah, very good. That one is correct. Now find out the value for octagon. I've got answer of Arhan so far only. Okay, Fatima,
So it was
exterior angle is 45. So then interior angle is going to be 180 minus 45, that is 135, right? This is
yes.
the exterior angle and this is the interior angle. Very good, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, now if this one is clear, shall we move ahead? Or do you guys have any confusion? Yeah, Fatima,
No.
135. Okay, Ahmed, you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you guys have any problem in any question, you can pause me there. Now see the next question. Here you also need to find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle measures 45 degree. Pretty simple, very simple.
Sir,
Using
can
the
you repeat
same
the
form.
question?
find the number of sides. It's written over here. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle measures 45 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys need to find the number of sides. First, simply write what is given in the question. Exterior, each exterior angle is 45 degree. Okay. And formula to be used, you guys know that. That is each exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides. Number of sides. Yes. Anyone who got the answer? This formula can also be written like this. See here. If the question asks you to find the number of sides, so we can just crisscross here. So number of sides, it's gonna be 360 degree upon exterior angle, upon each exterior angle. Okay. So if the questions ask you to find the number of sides, you will be using this formula, right? And if you're provided with the number of sides and then questions ask you to find exterior angle, you will use the first formula. Okay, both are same formula. I have just reversed down the value. Reverse down the values here.
Sir, I sent the answer.
8. Okay. Okay, very good. That is correct. Yes, you guys. Okay. Okay, that is correct. Yes, Ahmed, you also sent the answer.
No, sir.
Okay, are you on it?
Uh,
Look, question says that you need to find the number of sides when each exterior angle measures 45 degree. So using the second formula here, you need to find the number of sides. So, 360 degree upon each exterior angle is given here 45 degree. So n equals 360 upon 45. That gives you how much? 8 here. Okay. All right, then see next question. Ahmed, you got this solution?
yes.
Okay. Now, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon and each interior angle of a regular hexagon? See, the question is related to a regular hexagon. In first case, you need to find the exterior angle and then find the interior angle. Yeah, that shouldn't take too much time. Like the first option is pretty simple. It is very simple. Ahmed, your answers are coming late. Why is it so?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. One is 60 degree. Okay. Okay, Arhan, that is correct. Ahmed, you have said 120.
Yes, sir. The exterior angle.
No. Look, the figure here is a hexagon here. Look
Oh,
how we are supposed to solve this one. It is a hexagon. Each exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides, or in short, we can write it as n. So for hexagon, it is simply 360 upon 6. That gives me 60 degree. Okay. Yeah, Fatima, you have sent the second one. No,
Sir, I
Fatima.
also sent the second one.
Okay, okay. Arhan 120. Okay, Arhan, yours is correct. Okay. But Fatima, how can it be 180 degree? That is not correct. Look, first one is 60 degree. And who have sent the correct answer? Arhan. Very good, Arhan. Look, as we already know that exterior angle plus interior angle gives me how much? 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will draw the figure as well, so it becomes much convenient to you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the required figure. And let's say we are talking about this side. So exterior angle we found out to be 60 degree. This is a straight line, and we know that the complete angle formed in a straight line is 180 degree. Right, guys? It is, yeah, it is 180 degree. So we say that exterior angle plus interior angles gives you 180 degree. So if this is x, this is 60. So this, let's say if it is x, so x plus 60 gives me 180. So x here is going to be 180 minus 60. That is 120 degree. Right, guys? So this x
Yes.
here is the interior angle, that is 120. Okay. Now, then shall we move ahead then?
Yes.
Okay, see question number 5. The measurement of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 40 degree. Okay, there is a regular polygon whose exterior angle measures 40 degree. How many sides does it have? Interesting question. Okay, you are provided with a polygon. You don't know the polygon. Its exterior angle is given 40 degree. Now you need to find how many sides does it have. Okay, solve this one and write your answers in the box. In all these types of questions, we will be using the same formula. Okay, that is 360 upon n. Yeah, very good.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Yeah, very good. Okay, both of you guys answers are correct here. Yes, Ahmed. Yeah. Look, we got to use the same formula here. Okay. These two formulas are going to be used in all the questions which we will be discussing in today's class.
Okay,
Right.
sir. Okay.
So you are going to take help of this formula. The question is pretty simple here. Okay. So what we did in this question, we are provided with exterior angle that is given how much? 40 degree. Ahmed, you think of that is not the correct answer, Ahmed.
Okay, sir.
Each exterior angle here is provided, it is 40 degree. Okay, you got to find its number of sides. So we know that number of sides can be found out by 360 divided by exterior angle.
Yes,
So
sir.
360 divided by 40, 0 gets cancelled, that gives you 9. So the name of the polygon is what?
Name.
Yeah, you guys can write in chat box.
No.
What is the name of the polygon? Nonagon. Very good. Yeah. This is the required polygon. Now let's move ahead to next question. Now each interior angle of a polygon is 108 degree. How many sides does it have? Right, guys? Each interior angle is 108 degree. How many sides does it have? let's say this is any given random polygon. Okay, it does not need to be necessarily what I'm drawing here. It could be another polygon also. Don't assume it to be the answer. So first you guys need to find the exterior angle. Let's say this is x. Okay, or let's say this is y. So from when you will find out the exterior angle x here. Okay, and then from 180-degree you will minus this value. Then you will be getting the exterior value. Okay, wait a minute. Interior angle is already given here, no? 108-degree. Right, guys? So from this, you can find the exterior angle. Right, guys? Will you be able to solve this, or shall I help you guys?
Sir, I can solve.
Yeah. Okay. The steps are pretty simple. You're provided with the interior angle. You need to find the exterior angle. You guys already know how to find the exterior angle when you're provided with the interior angle. X plus y is equal to 180. X here is exterior angle. Y here is interior angle. Right, guys? So x plus interior angle equals here 108 equals 180. So from here, you are required to find the exterior angle. That is 180 minus 108. And when you guys will find the exterior angle, then using the formula of how to find the exterior angle, you guys will be able to get the answer. Yeah, that is the required exterior angle. Very
Sir,
good,
I
Erhan.
sent the.
Yeah, I saw, but still that is not the answer. We are supposed to find the number of sides in that regular polygon.
Oh,
Yeah,
sir, it is 5 then. 5.
very good, very good. No, Fatima. Yeah, yeah, 5. Good. It is 5. So x we found out to be 72-degree, and using the above formula, that is each exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides, that is n, that is 360 upon and here we know it is 72-degree, so we can write it like this: n equals to 360 upon 72. That gives me 5 here. Right, guys? So 5 is the required answer, hence option C is the correct one. Right. Now who didn't
Yes.
get the solution? I will explain again. All of you got the solution? How we solve this one?
Yes, sir, we had to just divide it 360
Yeah,
upon 2.
exactly. Just find out the exterior angle, divide the value with a divide 360 with a given value. You will get the number of sides.
Yes, sir.
Now some pretty more interesting questions. Look at question number 7. This is the given figure here, and you need to find the sum of x, y, and z. All right, x, y, z. Look, you guys already know that angle sum property for exterior angles. We previously talked about the angle sum property, like for interior angles of a polygon, we have got, let's say, interior angles of polygon. We simply sides minus 2 multiplied 180-degree. This is the general form to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon. And you know that sum of the exterior angles of any given polygon is 360-degree. Okay, whether there is 3 exterior angle, whether there's 4, 5, 6, any given number of exterior angles, if you add all of them, you get 360-degree. Now I hope you guys got it what I'm saying. Look in the figure here. How many exterior angles are mentioned here? Yes, guys. There are 3 exterior angles here: x, z, and y, right? And as I say that sum of all the exterior angles of any given polygon, it is equal to 360 degree. We can actually check that also here. Look, if this is 40 here, what is x going to be? Is it not going to be 140 degree?
Uh,
Look, like 180 minus 40 degree, that's going to give me 140 degree here, because x plus 40 here is equal to 180. Look, let me write it in a more simple form. Look, pay attention to here. So x plus 40 equals to 180 degree. So
Sir,
x
I
here is
sent the
140.
answer.
Yeah, very good, very good. Got it. Now first, see this value here. We know that the sum of all the angles inside the triangle is how much? It is 180 degree. So this is 90, this is 40. So this one is going to be 50 here. 90 plus 40 equals 130. 130 plus 50 gives me 180. So can we not directly write 50 here? And I know that 50 plus y is equal to, it's going to be 180, right guys? So from here I can solve it, and y will give me 130 degree. And similarly, see here, pay attention here. You guys are getting this, or is it confusing? Z plus 90, this angle, Z, and this angle 90 degree here. It's going to 180 degree. The sum is going to be 180 degree. So Z here is 180 minus 90, that is 90. So you got the value of x to be 140, y equals 130, and z 90. So when you will add these three, how much our answer is going to be? Yes, guys. X plus y plus z,
360 degree.
360. X, we found out it to be 140. Then y is 130. And z is 90. That equals to 360. Okay. That also justifies the statement which we earlier made, that sum of all the exterior sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is how much? Yes,
The 360.
360 degree. Very good. Okay. Fatima, Ahmed, you guys got this?
yes, sir.
Even if it was a quadrilateral, or even if the figure was a pentagon, even in those figure, you would have observed that sum of all the exterior angles is still 360 degree. You will find out in this one. See next figure. That's a little more advanced question than the first one. Yeah, can you is the figure properly visible? Can you guys read the values? Let me read it out. This one is 50 degree. Okay. This one is 50 degree here. This is 130, this one, and this one is 90 degree. And you guys need to find the sum of x, y, z, and t in here. Yeah, write your answers in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Fatima, in science, which chapter you are currently reading by yourself? Chapter first. Arhan,
Sir,
what about
I
you?
did not get the textbook.
Okay, okay. You haven't got the textbook. Okay. Is the school supposed to provide you with the textbook, or you have to purchase it from the market?
No, sir. School provide.
School provides. Okay. Okay, okay. And Arhan, you have bought the
Sir,
books.
I'm on the first chapter.
First chapter. Okay, okay. You are referring NCRT or any other books?
NCRT.
NCRT. Very good. Okay, Fatima. Yeah, very good. That's the correct value. Why? Yeah, that is also correct. Yes, you guys. First, find out the values. Okay, what about the value of t here? No one has sent me the value of t so far. X, Y, Z. T is how much? Yeah, that is correct. Very good, Fatima. Now just add all the 4 values and you will get the answer. Yes, Ahmed. Yes, Fatima, that is correct. Okay. Look, there's just a common reasoning here. The question is a very simple question here. You just need to apply your common sense. As I already said earlier, that sum of all the exterior angles, it is going to be 360 here. That is very obvious, right, guys? So without solving also, you can just say that since these are the exterior angles, the sum is going to be 360 degree anyways. But still we need to solve it. Yes, Ahmed and Arhan. Yes, guys, send your answers. Or if you are facing any difficulty, just say and I will explain it. Okay, let me explain how we are solving this one. Yeah, look, first notice the interior angles. In a quadrilateral, we know sum of all the interior angles is 360 degree. This is a quadrilateral having 4 sides here. Okay, and in a quadrilateral, we know sum of interior angles, how it is found? It is found out by side minus 2 multiplied 180. So 4 minus 2 multiplied 180, that is 2 multiplied 180, that gives me 360 degree. So this angle here, which I don't know, I can find out this one also here, so that I will be able to find out t. So let's find out this one. So 50 plus 90 plus 130, or let's call this angle A, which we don't know yet, plus A equals to
Sir, I sent
360.
the answer.
Yeah, Arhan, very good. Very good. So A here is going to be how much? 360 minus. Just you guys can see me? Or
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay, the laptop just went off.
No problem, sir.
Okay, okay. So you see from here we can find out A. So it is going to be how much? 360 minus 230, because 130 plus 90 plus 50, it is going to give you how much? 270 actually, right?
Oh,
So A here is going to give you 90 degree, right, guys? Yeah. So that is the value of this A here. So from here on, can you not find out T? Since this is 90, T is also going to be 90 degree, right, guys?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Okay.
Sir, my value of t came 60 degree.
60 degree. Okay, let me see if I have done some calculation mistake here. Yeah, you guys can see me now.
Yes, sir.
So it's 50 plus 90 plus 130. Yeah, what is the value in the bracket here? It's 270, right? So 360 minus 270, that gives me how much? 90 degree. All right, guys. So this T here is 90. Now this, what is the value of Z here? It is going to be 180 minus 50. Right,
Yes,
guys?
yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
130. And similarly, this Y here is going to be 90 degree. 180 minus 90. And this X here, it is 180 minus 130. That is 50 degree. Right, guys? Just simply add all these. 130. Then T here is 90. This is Z. This is T. Yeah, what is the value of Y? That is also 90. And we are left with X. The value of X here is 50 degree. Yeah. So how much is this? 220 plus 140. That is 360. That is how we find how we solve this question. Okay, no confusion in this one. Ahmed, you got the answer. Okay. Yes, move ahead then. Now find X in the following figure here.
Uh,
Sir, can you give us some tips on how to solve it?
Okay. The only tip I'm going to give you guys is that sum of all exterior angles equals to 360 degree. That's it. How many exterior angles are here?
2.
No, there are 3 exterior angles here. This one, and this one. There are 3. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. Okay, and there are 3 exterior angles. Just add them, equate it to 360, you will get your answer. I've actually told you how to solve this one. Yes, guys.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Yes. Yes, Fatima.
I have sent the answer.
You have sent the answer. Okay, just let me check it. Okay, it's not showing here. Can you just spell it out?
110.
110. That is correct. That is correct. Yes. Fatima, Arhan, and Ahmed.
yes, sir.
Did you guys got the same answer? Look, as we know that sum of all exterior angles equals to 360 degree. So we are just going to add the 3 angles here. So it is X 125 and 125 here, right? So X plus 125 plus 125, that is going to give me 360. So from here on, you can calculate it very easily. Arhan, you got this?
Yes, sir, I got.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's move ahead then. That is 110 degree. Now here we get some interesting questions. The question says that what is the minimum number of what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? What does the question says? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? You guys get the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try solving this one.
Sir, first
Yeah.
answer is 180.
180. 180.
Yes, sir.
No, that is wrong. Try again. That is wrong actually. Try again here.
360.
Ahmed, what are you doing? It is not 360-degree.
Mm.
Look,
Oh,
the only figure where 360-degree angle is possible, that is of a circle,
oh,
that is at its center, right, Ahmed?
okay.
Okay. Okay, let me help you guys. Okay. The question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why is it so? If you get the answer, you have to explain it also. Look, you guys tell me, what is the minimum number of sides possible for a regular polygon?
3.
3. Very good. And we are talking about a regular polygon, hence sides are going to be equal. That is, it's a equilateral triangle.
Yes.
Yeah. So each angles are also going to be same, x, x, and x. Since we know that in a regular polygon, all the angles are also equal. Okay. And we know that sum of the angles of a regular triangle or equilateral triangle is 180. So x plus x plus x, that should be equal to 180. So this is 3x equals to 180-degree, and x here is 60-degree. Right, guys? So that is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Okay. Because we're talking about a minimum interior angle, we got to take the polygon with the least amount of sides. Okay, we can also check it by putting in the this formula. Exterior angle equals to 360 upon n. We can put this value, we can put the value of exterior angle in this formula, and from there also we can get the value. So for this equilateral triangle, if we found out the interior angle to be 60-degree here, then what is the exterior angle going to be? It is 120. Okay. So if you put this 120 here, so what is the value of n here? 360 upon 120, that is equal to 3. So the 3 is the possible number of sides of the regular polygon which we got. But if someone says, let's say, why is it so? Why can't we take any other interior angle? Let's say if I take any value smaller than 60-degree here, right, guys? Let's name a value smaller than 60-degree, any value.
Sir, 30 degree.
30-degree. Okay. So let's assume, here. So you are assuming interior angle to be 30-degree. Okay. So what is the exterior angle going to be? Then exterior angle, it is going to be how much?
Sir,
180 minus 30.
150 degree.
150-degree.
150.
Very good. So now put this value 150 in this formula and see if you get a value of sides. If you get the value of the sides of polygon in whole number. So put this one 360 upon 150, and this is number of sides. Right, guys? Number of sides
Yes.
equals 360 upon 150. So that is going to give you how much value? These values are going to be getting cancelled, and 12. So 12 upon 5. Or if you solve it further, you are going to get 2.4. So you see, can number of sides be possible in a fractional value? Can the number of sides be in fraction? Can it be 2.4 or 12 upon 5? You guys say me.
What, sir?
I'm saying that if I assume the interior angle as 30-degree, then I found out that the number of sides is 2.4. But does this value make any sense here?
No, sir.
No. What about you, Ahmed? Like if I say you to draw a figure having 2.4 sides, Can you draw it practically? Practically, is it possible? It's not possible, right, guys? If it was 2, even then it was not possible. But if it was 3, then it was possible. You could draw a figure. If it was 2, how are you supposed to draw a figure? Or if it is 2.4, how is it possible to draw the figure? So that's why we take the minimum exterior, minimum interior angle as 60. That is the possible value. That will give me a polygon. Right, guys? I hope you got this one. Or shall I explain once more? No problem. I can explain
So
again
I
if you
got
guys
the
have any
answer
problem.
of the second question. Shall I
So,
explain it?
yeah, sure. Go ahead.
The answer is 120 as the sum of all exterior angle is 360 degrees. So
Yeah.
120 is to 3 is equal to 360 degrees.
Very
So
good.
that's
Very
the
good.
maximum value.
Very good. And the answer to the second question lies in the first question itself, in the solution of the first question itself. Okay. Let me raise the value of 30 here so that you guys don't get confused. You see, what is the exterior angle in the first question? What was the exterior angle? See the figure. See the equilateral
120
triangle.
degrees.
120 degrees. Right, guys? So in order to find the smallest, in order to find the least possible interior angle of a polygon, we also found out the maximum possible value of exterior angle. Right, guys? So you can check that also by putting it in the formula. Okay, we are solving the second one. Yeah. So question number B. Okay. We need to find the maximum possible value of exterior angle. Maximum exterior angle possible. Right, guys? So in the first question, we saw that the minimum interior angle that is possible, it is 60 degree. So hence the maximum exterior angle possible, it is going to be 120 degree. Let me explain how. If you take the, if you were to find the number of sides then for exterior angle. So by putting the formula in this one, you will find the number of sides. Look, that is going to be what? Exterior angle equals to 360 upon n here. Right, guys?
Yes.
So we found out it to be 120. So 120 equals to 360 upon n. So n here gave me 360 upon 120. That is 3. Right, guys? So that is the maximum possible value. So let's say we take a value